It's hard to believe, but a completely new battery technology has emerged with the potential to completely replace the 4680 battery technology that Tesla is developing. This is true as CATL, the largest battery manufacturer and supplier for Tesla, has unveiled a new generation of lithium ferrous phosphate batteries with an electric vehicle range of 620 miles and a charging time of just 10 minutes. This battery technology has been confirmed by Tesla itself, which is expanding its Giga Nevada factory to prepare for increased battery production for electric vehicles by 2025. Why is this new battery technology so superior? What makes this new battery technology an alternative for Tesla? CATL has indeed unveiled a groundbreaking battery with their latest advancements, claiming to be the world's first battery capable of achieving a 620-mile range. We might achieve much higher energy density by using heavier elements, but the challenge lies in converting that energy into electricity. A battery cell with an energy density of 1,000 watt-hour per kilogram would lose approximately 300 to 500 watt-hour per kilogram as heat. This issue makes it difficult for the electric vehicle world to achieve widespread long-range capabilities. In fact, CATL's new generation LFP battery has improved energy density by over 40% compared to older LFP batteries, which had a range of only about 400 miles when fully charged and an energy density of 205 watt-hour per kilogram, comparable to most traditional NCM batteries. LFP batteries are generally cheaper, but have lower energy density. However, CATL's new battery seems poised to change that. CATL has announced that it will reduce the price of LFP batteries by up to 50% per kilowatt-hour by mid-2024, and it appears they are on track to achieve this. This improvement has caught Tesla's attention for some time. According to various sources, Tesla has been in discussions with CATL about producing this new battery at the Giga Nevada factory to supply LFP cells for the Juniper project and a $25,000 affordable vehicle model. The clear advancement is evident in the fast charging capability of this battery, considered the third generation of LFP technology and a newer version compared to traditional LFP and Shenzhou batteries. This represents a significant milestone because most prospective electric vehicle owners are concerned about charging times and whether they can match the speed of refueling a gasoline vehicle, which typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. Moreover, the convenience is confirmed by the charging time being reduced to under 10 minutes for an 80% charge, thanks to its ultra-fast 4C charging capability. This means that a 100 kilowatt-hour battery can charge at a maximum rate of 400 kilowatt-hour. This technology has surpassed the performance limits of traditional LFP chemistry, thereby accelerating the lithium-ion extraction process. Shenzhou Plus utilizes advanced cathode mesh technology and fully crystalline nano-LFP cathode materials to create a super-electronic network that facilitates easier lithium-ion extraction and a faster response to charging signals. It appears that the new LFP battery announced by the manufacturer is perfectly suited for Tesla's Juniper project, aimed at enhancing its best-selling electric vehicle model. This innovation is expected to drive continued leadership in sales and bring significant advancements in the coming years. If you are enjoying this content so far, make sure that you like the video and join us for daily episodes by subscribing to Techno Creator channel. We always appreciate your support. How safe is this new LFP Gen 3 battery? For graphite improvements, CATL's latest third-generation fast-ion loop technology is used to modify the surface properties of graphite. This process enhances intercalation channels and reduces the distance between these channels for lithium ions, effectively creating a highway for electric current flow. Additionally, a multi-layer gradient electrode design has been developed to achieve an ideal balance between fast charging and long range. This new LFP battery will utilize advanced electrolytes and separators with highly secure coatings to provide dual protection. By regulating the global temperature field within the cells using smart algorithms, CATL has developed a real-time fault detection system capable of addressing issues caused by rapid charging. This ensures a high level of safety for the battery. Even in extreme temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, the new battery still delivers ultra-fast charging capabilities. The manufacturer has implemented technology that includes a lithium-ion fast conductive coating, additional transition metal elements, and a new nanometer coating to enhance lithium-ion release and reduce resistance, leading to more efficient energy transfer. This innovation also expands the overcurrent area and capacity of the terminals and battery system, facilitating rapid heat dissipation during high current charging. This makes fast charging safer thanks to an AI-enhanced building management system, BMS, algorithm that predicts and controls the charging current in real time, protecting the battery and improving both charging speed and efficiency. This addresses concerns about how fast charging might impact battery health. With its high safety level not translating into excessive production risks, the Gen 3 LFP battery promises to be a safe and efficient choice for the future of the electric vehicle industry. That's so impressive to see the world's leading battery manufacturer continuously maintaining and advancing cutting-edge battery technology. Despite numerous improvements, CATL has preserved the strengths of previous generations while addressing the weaknesses and limitations of the second generation. The Gen 3 LFP battery not only maintains its impressive 4C charging capability, but also shows significant advancements over Gen 2. Specifically, the new battery can provide an additional 370 miles of range with just 10 minutes of charging, a notable improvement over the Gen 2 batteries of 2023, which only restored about 240 miles in the same time frame. To illustrate this difference in charging speed, a battery charged at 1C typically takes an hour to fully charge, making 4C charging significantly faster. It is undeniable that the energy density of LFP batteries is lower compared to lithium-ion batteries of the same size, which results in shorter range for electric vehicles or reduced operating time for devices using these batteries. To achieve comparable capacity to Tesla's 4,680 cells, LFP batteries would need to be larger and heavier. However, CATL's advancements in increasing energy density and reducing production costs represent a significant step forward in narrowing this gap and enhancing the competitiveness of LFP batteries in the market. What's next for Tesla's LFP batteries plan? Tesla was one of the first Western automakers to adopt LFP batteries for its lower-tier models, and now they aim to bring their LFP battery supply chain to the United States. LFP batteries are significantly cheaper than nickel-based ones but have lower energy density. This is why they are used in applications where cost is more critical than performance. Over the years, LFP chemistry has continuously improved, with the best LFP batteries now approaching the energy density and charging performance of high-nickel chemistries. However, LFP batteries face a significant challenge that hinders their broader adoption in the West. Since they are primarily developed and manufactured by Chinese companies, they need to be imported from China. To reduce dependence on suppliers, electric vehicle manufacturers are looking to expand their battery production facilities in Sparks, Nevada. The plan involves acquiring idle equipment to produce batteries from CATL, with an initial capacity of around 10 gigawatt-hours. Once the process is refined, Tesla intends to scale up its LFP battery production capacity for its gigafactories to support electric vehicle manufacturing. Tesla's move is seen as a response to U.S. regulations aimed at reducing reliance on China for raw materials used in batteries, such as nickel, cobalt, and lithium. This strategy will enable Tesla to benefit from federal incentives provided under the Inflation Reduction Act for batteries produced in North America, potentially up to $35 per kilowatt-hour. Tesla will oversee the entire facility and cover 100% of the costs, thereby avoiding the scrutiny that Ford faced when announcing its partnership with CATL to produce LFP batteries in the U.S. The project is part of Tesla's effort to localize the LFP battery supply chain in the U.S. while still enabling cost-effective expansion. Which Tesla models do you expect to get this next gen of LFP batteries? Share your opinion below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and have fun.